How to create a group in Line. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily create a group chat in the Line application using your mobile device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open your Line application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the chats icon at the bottom center of the screen. From your chat screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the little plus icon right under the speech bubble icon and click on Group. Now, select the friends you'd like to add to your group from the menu. Once done, click on Next at the top right. Now enter the group's name in the text box at the top, and once done, you can also add a profile picture for the group by tapping the camera icon on the left. Now choose a profile picture for your group chat, and once done, you can click on Create at the top right corner. If you have anyone else you'd like to add to the group, you can tap on the Add button and select a different contact again to invite to the group. Now, if you want the members to join automatically in the group, make sure that you check this little box over here. Once you check this box, member will be able to join the group as soon as they're invited. Disabling this setting will require members to accept an invite before joining in. After you do that, click Create at the top right corner and you have successfully created a group in Line. You can add more people later. From the group settings. You can use stickers, calls, and polls to make chats more fun in the group. So there you have it. Creating a group online is actually super easy once you try it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.